Okay, this does not have a job number yet, but the project's called Maple Knolls of Richmond Beach. It's in Shoreline, Washington. We've done some work out here in the past. Rob did a couple projects out here with some asphalt work, and they're calling us back out here to address some trip hazards on concrete sidewalk. So I'm going to show you the map here. At the bottom of the page is the entrance coming in, and the first property I'm going to show you is highlighted in yellow over to the left. Let's take you to it. As you come into the entrance, it's on your left hand side. Before we talk about that though, let's talk about staging. And there's really one area for staging, and that's over here to the right. Gravel driveway here that we could park along the side of the fence here. Should be a good spot to put our equipment. And where this first property is, there's a little bit of room here. It's pretty quiet neighborhood, so I know that we could park on the side of the streets here as well if we need to, going down the hill. Could park here, could park up the street where there's a little cul-de-sac. It's a turnaround island. Or we could very easily just come in here, park along the side of the house here if we had to. Alright, let's look at this first crack. Trip hazard here. Lady that lives at 1452 has a bit of a crack here. As you can see, it's not very tall. I would say it's a 1/4 inch or less in height, but it goes all the way across. And suggestion here was to cut out just past the edge here into the asphalt, take this panel out, do a saw cut just past the crack here, create a joint, and replace this section right here. Okay, see the depth currently here is about 5 inches, and the dimension of this cut on the concrete is a 4x5, 4 foot from here to here, 5 foot from there to there, plus a little bit of asphalt to take out in order to put this back in. This slopes downward to the patio. I'll give you a look at it from this side. This is the driveway, and there's a slight slope that heads down. As you can see, it's exposed aggregate. We'll definitely want to replace this. The address for that first repair was at 1452, 4 foot by 5 foot, 5 inch depth. These other two, so we just looked at that one. We're going to come up to this one next, and then that'll be the third one. But as we go up to this next one, it's up the road here, and to the left, what we got is a potential trip hazard, but it probably could just be filled with Sikaflex. So let's go take a look at it. We could probably stay parked on the side of the street here to fix that concrete down there, but also to walk up here to quickly repair at the entrance of that house up in front here.